This video is going to show you how to add a banner to your Showit website. This is using my freebie for banners, which comes with 3 banners and then a bottom pop-up and a side pop-up. So when you bring the template into your account, you're doing it by going to your name at the bottom and then clicking Add to Library. And then you're going to put in the site key you have in here and click Enter. And that will bring the template, which is all of these different pages, into your account. So then what you're going to do is go to the site that you are going to put the banners on. Okay, so let's say I am working on this site here. I'm just going to work on desktop for now. So this is my site, and I want to add a banner to the top of this announcing a sale that I have coming up. So you have already brought the template into your account. You're on the page you want your banner. You're going to go up here to the page name and click the dots and click Add from Library. And then you're going to go to My Library, and that's where you're going to find the template that you brought in. I'm going to pull it here from My Sites. But yours will be in My Library. And then you're going to pick the site canvas banner that you want. So you have 3 different options here, and we'll start with these for now. So let's say I just want to bring in this first one. So this is the first one, and then I'm going to click Apply My Fonts and Colors at the bottom. And you can see it'll change everything to match my site. And then I'm going to add it, and it automatically will go to the very bottom. So then if I click and drag this to the top, I want it above here. And then I just want to look at a few of the different settings on this canvas. So the stacking order is 99. So that means it's going to be staying at the very, very top. So if I preview this, and then I scroll down, you can see that it's just sticking right to the top there. If you don't want it to stick to the very, very top, if you just remove this and click None and then preview it, it will scroll with the page. So that's one way, and that is the same for any of those top banners. And then you want to customize it. So customize whatever you want to say here. So you can update the text there by just double clicking, and then you want to change the click action to wherever you want it to go. So if you click the button and go to click actions, then you can direct it to a specific page. Okay, so you would follow that step for any of those 2 banners. So let's just add one of the other ones just so we can look at it. So banner 2 is going to be the same. If I bring that up to the top, again, the stacking order is really high and it will stay there. You can change the text on this. And then if you wanted to, you could have this go directly to a page or a canvas on this page. So you can change the click action there. If you wanted to like highlight this text and add the link through this way, that will actually add an underline under the text, so you could have it that way as well. If you don't like the link color, if you go over to text style and scroll down, you can see you can change what the link shows as there. So that's those 2. And then the final top banner that we can add is a little bit different. So if we bring this up to the top, you can see, I'm going to delete these 2 for now. You can see this one hangs over. So that is because if you look at the settings on this one, you have an initial height of 1 pixel. So if you didn't want it to hang over, so if I brought this down here, for example, you can see it's hanging over this image. If you wanted it to just not do that, you could change the height to, let's say, 20, or you could make it a lot bigger. So if you just adjust that, it doesn't have to be hanging over like that. It just depends on how your navigation is set up and how you want it to look. So then the other ones are more of a pop-up. So if we go in and add that bottom one, for example, again, apply my fonts and colors so it changes everything. And then this one can actually stay at the bottom of the page. And then you can customize it any way you need to. And if you view this one, and I scroll, you can see it does not show up, and that's because you have to change a few things. So you can see right now it says hidden to start, and it's sticky on the bottom. So if you want this to pop up at a specific point in time, you can do a couple different things. So the first thing you can do is not have it hidden to start. So you can uncheck that and make sure you do that on desktop and mobile. And then if you preview it, it will start coming in from the bottom. So that's one way you can do it. The other way you can do it is have this remain hidden to start, and then set it so, let's say when somebody scrolls to this canvas and this canvas gets on screen, then I want that pop-up to show. So I have my canvas clicked, and then I'm going to go scroll actions. And when this canvas is on screen, I want to show the pop-up. Okay. So then if we preview that, you can see nothing will show up until we get to this canvas, and then it will start showing up. Okay. So see how that works? So you can set it however you want. And just make sure you're doing it on desktop and mobile for whatever you decide on that one. So the last one is the side canvas. So we'll go here, find the banners, and bring in the side one here. Apply my fonts and colors, add that one in. Again, this one can remain at the bottom. And then we're just going to tweak some things here so it looks nice. So if we preview this one slowly comes in from the side after you're scrolling for a little bit. So you can leave it like that, or if you wanted to change it, each element has a transition, so it's sliding in for 10 seconds. So you could adjust the time on these, but you have to do it for all of them. So let's say I wanted to come in, a little faster, so maybe 3. So if I change these all to 3, it will slide in a little bit faster. And then when we preview it, it comes in a little bit faster. And then if you just wanted to show on the page, you could just change this to 0. So there's a couple different options that you can do with that side one. If you have any questions, let me know. And also if you are in the page itself, so let's say I go back to the banners page, I did create this this page for overview. So if you preview it, you can actually see how the different banners function. So if you wanted to see that before, so you could kind of decide which one you wanted to do, you can do it from there. So hopefully this is helpful. If you have any questions, please email me and I'm happy to help.